Marsha's perfect beach day. The morning sun poured through the curtains of little Marsha's room. She stretched, rubbed her eyes, and whispered, Mommy, I wish we could have go back a beach like before. Marsha remembered when she and her parents used to visit Fort Clarence Beach almost every month. They would pack a basket filled with fried fish, bammy, and a big bottle of lemonade. Daddy would play dominoes with his friends under a wooden umbrella. Mommy would laugh while peeling sugarcane, and Marsha would build sandcastles until the waves hit them away. But lately, life had gotten busy. Her father was working long hours. Her mother often had errands, and Marsha's school kept her occupied with tons of homework. The beach trips became less and less until they felt like just a memory. That morning, Marsha gathered her courage. She walked into the kitchen where her parents were sipping tea. Mommy, Daddy, remember how we used to go to beach together? Mom miss it bad. We can't go again. Her parents exchanged a glance. Daddy sighed. True thing, Marsha. I can't even remember the last time. Mommy's eyes softened. Maybe we let life get in the way too much. Daddy leaned back smiling slowly, then said, All right then, pack your swimsuit, little miss. Today, we're heading back to the seaside. Marsha squealed and clapped her hands. The family piled into the car with bags of snacks, a cooler juice, and Marsha's bucket and spade. As they drove along the coast, the smell of salt water drifted through the open windows. "I feel young again," Daddy chuckled. "I feel free again," Mommy added. "I feel happy again," Marsha shouted from the back seat. When they finally reached Fort Clarence, the turquoise sea sparkled like it was welcoming them home. Marsha ran to the water's edge, splashing her feet in the foamy waves. "Come now, Mommy! Daddy, you just stand up there." Soon the whole family was in the water. Daddy showing Marsha how to float on her back, Mommy then teaching her how to dig for tiny seashells. They built a giant sand castle together, decorated with sticks, shells, and seaweed for flags. Later, they sat under a coconut tree, munching fried fish and festival, licking their fingers with laughter. Daddy tapped the table like he was playing dominoes, making Mommy roll her eyes, but smile anyway. As the sun dipped low, painting the sky orange and pink, Marsha leaned against her parents. "I'm glad we'll come back. It feel like home, like family again." Mommy kissed her forehead. "Marsha, thank you for reminding us of the important things. Life busy, yes, but family time worth more than anything else." Daddy nodded. "From today, we promise every few months we are gonna make the time for beach day. It's our special place." Marsha beamed. Her heart was full as the tide. She realized it wasn't just about the sea or the sand. It was about being together. And right there, with the waves humming like a lullaby, she knew that some treasures weren't gold or silver. They were moments with the people you love.